everybody, welcome back to my next video. Today we're going to do French onion soup. We're going to do it in the slow cooker. So I got get all the onions. I've got 7 onions. 7. Let's cut on the rest of it. Say 7. So I got 7 onions. So I've got fresh garlic. We got oil. So we just need the sugar. Sugar. What sugar use? Sugar. Cut the onion. So I got the onions in here, 7 of them. So we're going to put ginger in. Oh no, garlic I mean. Blonde. So we're going to put the garlic. We're going to use crushed garlic. So I don't know how many I can use. I might just use 2. Oops. And then what's next? I think it's olive oil. So we got again. And then we got dough for the sugar. I'm just going to use cocoa. So we got that on, so we're going to cook it for 8 or 10 minutes. So we're going to pull the wine. So the onions are softening. So we're going to pull this. Don't know how much we need. Probably not that much. So we're going to let this bubbling. And we can transfer it, so we can transfer it to the slow cooker. So it's bubbling. And then so that's all done. So we're going to put everything in here. Every time one gets a fucking coffee. Okay, we got the Worcester sauce. So we got that. So we got. I've just put the whole. So we're just going to wait until. The kettle's boiled, so we got. Might put the. So wait. Just gonna wait for the kettle to finish. I'll just start with the. So I'm going to put, I think, I'm going to put the Worcester sauce in. So I'm just going to, it's the sauce. Give it a stir. Yeah. Now we can wait until alright, clean up on camera. Okay, all goods. Okay. Kettle's boiled. Yeah. So we can stir it together. So we're going to make 3 cups out of this. Yeah. So, here we go. So that's just going to be one. This will be two. I'm just going to two and one more. So 3 cups, and then I'm going to transfer it into a thing. I'm going to stir it up together. And then pepper and salt. Yeah. And then connect it to this one. So we're going to leave it on low for 4 or 5 hours. Thank you for watching my video how to make onion soup in the slow cooker. Subscribe, push the notification bell for more videos down the line. Ronnie is out. Bye.